Hi, and welcome to a quick little tutorial on our alphabetical principal task cards and how they can be used. So these two cards can be available for free, and these are sent to you so you can try them out, give them a go and see how you find them. So they are all sequenced in a scope and sequence, starting with the letter S. And this is just an example of how you would use these cards in your small group teaching instruction. It could be used depending on the time that you have, could be used for about 10-15 minutes, and you can really go deep into these activities. So, for example, let's start with this one. Again, you'd have your group around you and you'd start with your phonological awareness skills. Do something quick and fast. It's a quick skill drill and it would be about 2 minutes or so. So you would say to them, this one says, do these words rhyme? Okay, then you would give them the words, bat, rat. And they would say yes. They could do up, fingers, thumbs up, thumbs down, or they could say yes, no, or depending on the group. Mop, sit, pig, wig, lock, rake. Okay, and even if you want to add a few more just to see if they have grasped it or not, and you can work on that. You can even talk about the sounds that they hear in the middle and the end. Do they sound the same? And you can just do a little bit of an activity around that. Then you'd go on to the sound concept. So you could say, we are learning about the sound or the letter sound S, and the symbol looks like that. So you would, if you want, you could have some flashcards with you with these letters. So I've got these sound cards with the mouths that mouth the correct articulation of the sound. So you could just flash it. You could say S, my turn, S, your turn, S. You could just work like that with them and go through it, go through the group. And once you've done that, you could start showing the picture. You could say, what is this picture? They would all say snake. What is the beginning letter sound that you hear in that word snake? S. And you could say yes, S. It's the letter sound S. Then you can say, can you think of more words that start with the letter sound S? They can give it a go. Sun, swim, snail. You can have a little thing. You can even have a timer where you could say, okay, I'm putting on my timer for 1 minute. Let's see how many words we can think of. Or anything fun that you can play with them. It's up to them. It's up to the group and what they feel comfortable with. Then once they've done that, you'd say, okay, great, we're going on to our handwriting activity. So maybe all of them would have some whiteboards around them, or they could do it in their books, or they could do it as a multi-sensory approach if they're not ready yet to write, depending on where your kids are at. But you would then say, so there are 2 sayings here that you could work with them. The first one is from the Read, Write, Ink saying, and it's the key picture. So, slither down the snake. So if they want to do it with their hands first in the air, or we start with the whiteboard, and you can all go together, slither down the snake. And they can do it like that. And the next one is more telling the student how to do it. So it would say over the top, across the middle, and back. Oops, sorry, let me just do that again so you can see. It would be over the top, so over the top, across the middle, and back. And then you would work on that. And each one has the handwriting sayings, and it all works in a scope and sequence. And if you look at the other letter card, A, it would be the same concept, but a different phonological awareness skill. I really hope you find these helpful. Again, these 2 are for free, but if you'd like the whole set, please contact us at thelearningroom.store. Send us a message, send us an email, and I will send you the link to our TPT store. Thank you.